Let's face it, everybody has habits. Some of them good, and others are bad habits. Regardless of whether they impact the person positively or negatively, well, that's another story entirely. But the fact remains that habits are a part of every person's life. They're a widespread part of living. Not only that, but as we know, many animals are what they call creatures of habit. Knowing all of that, it's safe to assume that they have an effect on a person's life in some sort of way or another. They can have bad habits related to mental illness, stress, or any other affliction. On the other hand, a person could possess good habits to help them succeed, achieve goals, or get through each day effectively. It's really not a matter of who has habits, what habits they have, or anything else. And I'm about to tell you exactly why. What if I were to reveal a method that you could use to generate viral traffic all because of people's habits? How about if all you had to do was post an image and mention your message, business, URL, or anything else? Best of all, what if people would be willing and happy to share your image and message with their audiences without thinking twice about it? Well, to be honest, you can do just that, and you can do it 100 times. All of that can easily be done with the usage of the ever-popular quote poster image. A quote poster image is essentially just an eye-capturing photo with a catchy and relatable quote or saying placed over top of it. You've probably already seen these being posted on social networks and blogs for a long while now. The reality is, and it's because they flat out work. People who see the image relate to the quote and share it because they can relate. They don't think about who's posting it or where it originated from. That's the viral nature of not just social media marketing, but also image marketing. And right now, you can gain access to a vault of 100 unique quote poster images, all related to the topic of good and bad habits. Better yet, you can modify any of these images however you see fit, because you'll be receiving the editable PSD source files as well. That means you can place your logo or URL on there. You can change the text or image and do anything that you'd like to it. To top it all off, you can use all 100 of these quote poster images in any way you like, as many times as you'd like. That's because there's a commercial developer's license included. All of this translates to you being able to endlessly promote your business and offers with viral traffic. If all of this doesn't sound awesome to you, then how about being able to gain access to this vault of 100 images for a low one-time payment? Just view previews of the quote poster images and even more details on the page below.